Moving on to the agenda, next we have welcome speech by Sri Preetimoy Chakma, President Chakma Hajam Elders Forum.
Thank you. Honorable Chairperson of Arunachal Pradesh State Human Rights Commission, and at the same time, I would also like to extend my heartfelt welcome to his accompanying team of Honorable our Chairperson Sri Joel Alu, Research Officer, Arunachal Pradesh State Human Rights Commission, Inspector Kelly Bijoy Kamhi, Arunachal Pradesh State Human Rights Commission, Ms. Katu Bamang, Arunachal Citizen Rights, most backward and afflicted with so many social economic problems. So this is Dayush Circle having populations approximately 35,000 to 40,000, mostly inhabited by Chakmas, Hajam, Singphos, Deoris, Tangsas, etc. The largest group is the Chakma. The circle has remained extremely backward despite all-round development took place in the neighboring districts. Having no access to any kind of facility, government schemes, the people, particularly the youths, are suffering from extreme frustration. A special welcome to our special guest, Sri Suhas Chakma ji, member core group of human rights defenders and NGOs of National Human Rights Commission, New Delhi, for his kind presence in the program. My heartfelt welcome to our guest of honor, Sri Sunil Mao ji, Senior Advocate, Guwahati High Court. I would also extend hearty welcome to all esteemed guests, namely Sri Abraham Modi ji, Assistant Commissioner Dayun, and Inspector Tanjing Langsing, OC Officer in Charge, PS Dayun. I must also welcome to all Gaunburas, headmen, leaders of CBOs, social activists, media persons, general public, ladies and gentlemen, who made us proud for being present in the program today. Last but not the least, I welcome also all officers, staff who are accompanying our chief guest. If anyone's name is left to mention in my welcome address, please forgive me. Once again, I thank you all. Thank you.